When you're outside, one of the most important things that you can have is light. So let's talk about this Celes lantern from Snow Peak. This Celes lantern is a flashlight and a lantern from Snow Peak that is designed to work with IGT camp tables and TTA clamps and posts. So it's got a place in every outdoors person's sort of campsite setup. Let's look at some of the features. First off, it turns on very easily by holding down the power button, and you'll turn on the flashlight. And then you can adjust the brightness by hitting this top button here. And if you want to have the lantern going, you just tap the power button one more time and it switches to the lantern mode. And then this bottom button on the array of buttons changes the lantern brightness. And if you hit the power button one more time, you have light coming out of everywhere. So you can have a truly bright sort of camp setup. This thing is super easy to use and it's IPX4 rated. So that means that it's good from splashing water in any direction. So it'll hold up to the rain totally fine. And then if you want to have it at your campsite, there's a little hanger right here that you can use the included carabiner and retractable cord with so that you can clip this thing on and then hang it up around your campsite. Super cool. But let's say you don't want it hanging around. What else can you do? Well, I mentioned that TTA attachment for IGT tables or any kind of campsite gear, and that comes in the form of this little piece right here. It's a threaded adapter that lets you easily screw it into a TTA clamp, or if you have a TTA post and the clamp isn't what you're going to connect it to, you can unscrew this part and then you have a male end so that you can screw it directly into the post. Really cool. This is a great little light, really diffuse light too, so it's a good enough quality you could use it for shooting video if you wanted to, but just a great thing to have around the campsite. Because it's a standard 1/4-20 thread, you can take this and screw it into a tripod or like a magic arm like I have here. So you can just take and screw this in, and then I can clamp this arm to whatever I'm using and position it however I want. And it's just there. Super cool, super useful, lots of ways to use this thing. And I don't know if you saw earlier, but I like to take one of these little cheapy wrist straps here and loop it in between the two parts of the screw connection, like this, and then just screw it down and make it really, really tight. So then I have a wrist cable for the flashlight. So I can just, if I'm using it as a flashlight, I can just kind of carry it around, drop it if I need to, no worries. Like I said, this thing is well built for however you need to use it. And on that, it charges via USB-C. So that way you're not having to worry about some new kind of connection or making sure some other kind of like AAA batteries or AA batteries or whatever are put in this and fully charged. You have a cable that you can plug into your battery banks that we all carry with us now. Just a super cool, well thought out thing that functions as a good campsite lantern because it will throw light out pretty far. Like if it's pitch black at night and you sit this on a post somewhere, you've got a good 30-foot radius of usable light from the lantern feature on this. And then excellent as a flashlight. If you guys have any more questions about this or anything else I talk about on this channel, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you out there. Bye.